Okay? So, ulitin ko may quiz kayo ng Tuesday. Coverage, trigonometric functions, derivative ng trigo functions, at derivative ng inverse trigo functions. Open formula ng identities, kakailanganin niya dito, marirealize yung later. Actually, kahit yung last na discussion, di ba? May mga ginamit na kaya ng identity formulas. Open identity formulas, open derivative formulas. Okay, ilagay nyo sa isang bond paper, ilagay nyo ng pangalan ng bond paper. Okay, so it's just a matter again of familiarization. Inverse trigo yan, very obvious. Bakit? Ayun, arc sine or inverse sine. Inverse yan. The inverse of sine is arc sine. The inverse of cosine, arc cosine. The inverse of tangent, arc tan, cotangent, arc cotangent. Second, arc second, cosecant, arc cosecant. So it's just a matter of familiarization. The way. Ang equal sign, nandito. Nandiyan na. It is very important na malaman nyo kung saan ang equal sign. Nandiyan. Nasa gitna. So anong ibig sabihin yan? Numerator ito. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
So, again, it's just a matter of identifying what is U. Paano yan? And take note, U is f of x. Okay? So that if it is arc sine, how do you write the derivative? Square root sa baba, square root of 1 minus v squared. Where U is whatever this is. Are you really nice? Tapos ang numerator niya is the derivative of this, which is f of x with respect to dx. Ganun lang. Actually, ang memorize mo lang dyan, sine, tangent, secant. Bakit? Yung cosine, pansinin mo, cosine, cotangent, at cosecant, habig lang ito, negative lang na. Tama? Malinis yung minus. Check your notes. Check your modules. Minus yan. Check your modules. Okay? Sine, cosine, parehas lang yan, negative lang. Okay? Ang tangent at cotangent, parehas lang yan. Ang denominator is 1 plus v squared, are you with? Where u is whatever this is. Tapos, ang numerator is the derivative of u with respect to dx. Ang cotangent is negative. Lang yan. Kasi nyo? Okay. Ang second is this. Again, whatever this is. This u is, ito yun. U ito hindi x, typo error yan. U ito. Yung sa module nyo this must be u, and this must be u. Kung papansinin mo, ano ito? This is the negative of this. Okay? So, other way of writing this would be, para hindi ka nakakalito, ganito na lang. Ganyan. 1 minus v squared times du over dx. Pares lang yan. Okay, isulat mo yan, 1 over 1 minus v squared. So this would be 1 over, negative 1 over square root of 1 minus v squared times d over dx. So this would be 1 over 1 plus v squared times d over dx. Negative 1 over 1 plus v squared times d over dx, ano ito? 1 over u square root of u squared minus 1 times d over dx, or this is negative 1 over u square root of u squared minus 1 times du over dx. Start here? Start 5. Okay? It's just a matter of identifying what U is. So that dy over dx is arctan. Nasaan arctan? Ito. Diba? So how do you write that? 1 over plus 1 plus, anong u? 1 half x cubed squared. Really?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Times the derivative of u with respect to dx. How do you find the derivative of this?
1 half times
Yes,
3x
1 half times
3x
3x
squared
3x
squared.
squared. You understand?
Yes.
You understand, guys?
Yes.
Times 3x squared all over 2. Understand? Tapos, simplify ka na lang. Actually, 5 points na yan. Kung 10 points man yan, 5 points na yan. The rest is simplification. How do you do that? 1 plus, ano to? What do we think of? X raised to? X raised to 9, patay tayo. Yan na nga ba sinasabi? Saan tayo magkakadali? So that be x raised to? Siyempre ito, 2 is squared. So that would be 4. Anong exponent ng x? X raised to? 6. X raised to 6. Times 3x squared over 2. LCD 4. 4 plus x raised to 6, 1, 3x squared over 2. Heard me?
Sir?
Akyat ito. 4 over 4 plus x raised to 6, 3x squared over 2. This one cancels with this. 2 yan. So that dy over dx would be 3 times 2?
6
3 times 2. 6x squared all over 4 plus x raised to 6.
Sir, saan po nakuha yung 4 ng katabi ng plus x? Hindi, sir, yun o.
Ito?
Oo po yan.
LCD.
Ah, okay.
Ang LCD niyan is 4, di ba? So 4 divided by, anong denominator nito? 1. 4 divided by 1.
4.
4 divided by 1.
4.
4 times 1.
4.
Convince? Ano yan? That is power.
4.
Ang ibig kong sabihin power. This can be written as, hindi pa ako nag-differentiate pa. Y pa lang yan. This would be arc sine of 3x raised to 5 raised to 4. Are you convinced? Are you convinced that this can be written this way?
Yes.
Are you convinced, guys? Okay. May parenthesis yan, eh. So, yung buong arc sine 3x raised to 5 raised to 4 yan. Ganyan ang ibig sabihin yan. So, magpa-power na tayo. Kung magpa-power tayo, recalling derivative of u raised to n with respect to dx, which is what? Nu raised to n minus 1 times du over dx. Are you with me?
Yes.
So, ano ang u dito? Ito, correct?
Yes.
Ano ang n? Ito.
Yes.
This should be dy over dx should be
4 arc sine
arc sine of 3x raised to 5 raised to 3. Are you me?
Yes.
Times the derivative of this. Ano ang derivative yan? Square root of arc sine. Follow? Arc sine 1 over the square root of 1
minus u
3x raised to 5 squared. You agree? Is that all? Is that all? Not yet. Times what? The derivative of?
3x
Ha?
3x
Derivative of? Ano? Multiply by the derivative of? U. Anong U nga?
3x raised to 5
Ito. May kulang. Derivative of? Tama. Kupituin mo nga lang. Derivative of U. Ano yung U? Ano yung U dito?
arc sine
Sine 3x
Ha?
minus 2.
Ano no? U. Ano Ano ang u dito? Ito na ang dinidifferentiate natin. Ano ang derivative dito? Ayan. 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared. Ano ang u dito?
3x
3x.
3x raised to 5. Oh. Raised to 2 kasi u squared. Multiplied by, is that it? Hindi pa. Multiplied by the derivative of the u. Ano ang u nun? Ano ang u dito? Ang tanong ko lang is ano ang u dito? Ito. Ha? Allah. Dito muna tayo. Ayan o. N. Ano ang N? 4. N. U. Raised to N minus 1. Multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to dx. Ano ang u? Ito. So, i-differentiate na natin ito. Ano ang derivative nito? Right side, tingin ka doon. Ano yun? 1 over the square root of 1 minus, ano ito? Yung u dito. Ano ang u dito? 3x raised to 5 squared times the derivative of u. Ano yung ulit?
3.
Kasasabi ko lang kanina.
3x raised to 5.
Ano yung ulit? Bakit kasi hindi mo masabi? Ano yung ulit? Ano yung ulit dito? Ano ang unit dito? 3x raised to 5. O, derivative of u with respect to dx. Anong derivative ng 3x raised to 5 with respect to dx? Ito. Ito?
Yes, sir. Pag-ilid na rin.
Ha?
Pag-ilid na rin mo yan, sir. Kasama niya yung square.
Ito?
Yes, sir.
Oh, ito yung square root of 1 minus u squared.
Hindi 30 is raised to 4, sir.
Hindi, ang ito, 1 minus u squared, di ba? Times the derivative of u. Ano ba ang u? Ito, ano ito? Ito, ano yan?
15x raised to 4.
Oh, 15x raised to 4. Diyos ko. Ang hirap ba?
Oh, yung nag-derive na ito.
Ang hirap ba? Seriously, ang hirap ba? Grabe.
Aris.
Did you understand?
Is
Did you understand? Simplify ka na lang. O, how do you simplify? 15 times 4, 60, x raised to 4. Ano na magagawa dyan? Compare mo lang yan. Arc sine,
Hindi kaya nag-calculator yan ito.
Oo, gago. Kailangan mo ng utak. Utak yan.
60, x raised to 4, arc sine of 3x raised to 5 cube. You understand?
Yes.
Over ito, square root of
Square of 1.
1 minus 3 squared. 9x, 3 squared. 9x raised to
10.
You understand? Ano yan? That is the same as y is equal to 2 arc sine of what? X raised to 2 raised to 1 half. Are you with me? Ang naka-raise sa 1 half is x raised to 2. Iba ang arc sine x over 2 raised to 1 half sa arc sine of x raised to 2 ay x over 2 raised to 1 half. Magkaiba yan ha? Magkaiba yan. Are you with me guys?
Yes,
Pag
sir.
nakita ka ng ganito, ang naka-raise to 1 half is x over 2 lang. Pag nakakita ka ng ganyan, ang naka-raise to 1 half ay yung buo. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is square root of arc sine of x over 2. Ang ibig sabihin nito is arc sine of square root of x over 2. You understand? You understand? Magkaiba yan o. Magkaiba yan. O. How do you find the derivative of this?
1.
dy
Power roll ulit.
over dx. So, kaya mo yan din po. Coefficient lang yan. Dito ka na. Power formula, 1 half.
1 half. Time.
Bababa yan. Ay, hindi pala. Raise to 1 half pala. Arc sine ulit. 1 over square root of 1 minus, ano ang u dito?
X over 2.
X over 2 raised to 1 half.
Raised to 1.
So, x over 2 is square root squared. You agree?
Mm.
You agree? You agree guys?
Yes.
Nasusundan? Times
U.
the
U.
derivative of u with respect to the x. Ano yung u dito?
X. X
X over 2
raised to 1 half.
1 half. So ano ito? 1 half
1 half. Oh.
times
X
x over 2 raised to
negative 1 half.
negative
1 half.
1 half. Is that it?
No.
Is that it? O,
No.
ano pa? Multiply by
Derivative nung
derivative dito. Tama? O, anong derivative ng x over 2?
So, pwede maging negative 2x.
X.
With respect to the x. Anong derivative ng x over 2? Wala. Anong
X.
derivative?
Itataas yun eh. So, tataas. Tataas ata
So,
yun.
negative 2x.
So, X.
Alin?
Negative 2.
Yes.
Yung
Negative
derivative.
2x. Hindi ah.
Ay, hindi.
X over 2 is negative 2x.
Ay, hindi. Iba yan.
Hindi pwede yan.
Raised to
yung
negative
exponent
2.
lang ang pwedeng mag-negative, but not the coefficient. Ano yan?
X raised to negative. Ay, hindi. Baka mali.
Nahihirapan. Oh. Anong derivative ng 2x with respect to dx?
2.
Anong derivative ng 2x with respect to dx?
2.
Ha? 2. You agree? Oh. Ano ang x over 2? Di ba ang x over 2 is 1 half of x?
Ako na pa po.
You
Stop
agree?
pala.
Anong derivative ng 1 half of x? 1 half.
Half.
Nakakalimus kayo ah. You get it? You get it? Multiply by 1 half. Ano yung 1 half na yan? Derivative dito. Ano yung 1 half na yan? Bumaba. Naintindihan? Naintindihan? So ano mangyari dito? This will now become cancel na lang. This one cancels with this. So may 1 half pa rin. So this would be 1 half of 1 all over square root of 1 minus ano to? Square of square root. Makakancel yan, di ba? Square of square root. Do you agree?
Yes.
So 1 minus x squared multiplied by ano to? 1 all over, bababa yan. Di ba square root of x yan? All over 2. Pero negative, so bababa square root of x all over 2. You understand? So ano mangyari dito? Pwede mong pagsamahin sa loob yan. 1 half times 1 all over. Pagsasamahin ko yan, parehas ng square root. Square root of x all over 2 times 1 over x all over 2. Again, ito yung 1 half. Square root to square root, pwede mong pagsamahin? Yes. So what will it become? This will become 1 half 1 over square root of ano to? X over 2 minus x squared over 4. You agree? You agree? Simplify tayo. 1 half 1 over the square root of LCD 4. 4 divided by 2 times x 2x minus 4 divided by 4 1 times this x squared. So this would be 1 half of 1 over the square root of 2x minus x squared all over the square root of 4. Ano yun be? So this would be, pwede kong paghiwalayin yan. Square root of a over b is the same as the square root of a over square root of b. So pwede kong paghiwalayin yan. So this would be 1 half times 1 over the square root of 2x minus x squared. The square root of 4 is 2. Magkakancel yan. So that finally, dy over dx is simply 1 all over the square root of, ilalabas ko lang yung x, 2 minus x. Is that it? Sana, kasundan nyo. Ilabas ko lang yung x. Is it? Sundan nyo.
Hindi na natapos, sir.
Tapusin ko lang, no? Baka magkamunod lang tayo. Ako sa business. And review for your quiz.
Oh, sasaan ko?
What is that? First of all, dapat identify mo muna kung ilang times yan. Kasi, as I have advised, ang pag-differentiate para hindi nakakalito, term by term. Ilang times yan? Dalawa. Ano yung dalawa na yun? Ito yung una, ha?
It's yung mic. Yes.
Galing. So consider this. So para hindi ka lang malito, pwede naman diretso na eh. Pero, gawin natin. Ito muna, how do you treat this? Product. If I'm going to get the derivative of this, how do you treat this? Product. Bakit? Ilang factors yan? 1, 2. Ready?
Yes.
So treat this as U. Treat this as
V.
V. Oh, how do you get the derivative of UV with respect to dx? Di ba U dv over dx plus V du over dx? You understand?
Yes.
You understand? Oh, so paano yan? Copy the U. What is the U?
1x
plus
plus
x
x
squared
raised to 2.
multiplied by the derivative of V with respect to dx. Anong derivative ng arc down? 1 over 1 plus anong U? Ano ang U dito? Ano ang U dito?
X.
I am now getting the derivative of this arctan of x, arctan of U. Anong U dito?
X.
Tan
X.
x. Squared. 1 plus U squared. Are you with me? Times. Anong U ulit? X. So what is the derivative of x with respect to the x? 1. Plus. Copy this.
Or
Arctan of x multiplied by the derivative of this with respect to dx. Anong derivative dito? 0. Anong derivative dito? 2x. Minus, anong derivative dito with respect to dx? 1. You would realize that this cancels with this. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
So what will this become?
1.
dy over dx is 1
One.
plus
2x.
2x arctan of x minus 1 minus 1 0. So that dy over dx is 2x arctan of x. You understand? Next. Y equal to ano po? X over square root of a squared minus x squared minus arc sine of x over a. Ano yan?
Label na ulit ng ano.
How many
tsaka
terms are you dealing with? Two. This and this. Correct.
S.
Ito muna tayo. dy over dx. How do you find the derivative of this? Let this be u. Let this be v. You understand?
Yes.
So that, what is the derivative of u over v with respect to dx? How do you find the derivative? Alala nyo? V du over dx minus u dv2 over dx over v
V2.
squared. O, ano ang v dito? Square root of a squared minus
X squared.
x squared. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes.
Times the
Derivative.
derivative of u with respect to the x. Anong derivative dito?
1.
1 minus anong u?
X.
X times the derivative of this. Anong derivative ng a squared minus x squared raised to 1 half. Are you following? Are you following? O, anong derivative niyan? Power formula.
1 half
1 half
a squared minus x squared
raised to negative
negative
1 half, correct?
yes
Multiplied by the derivative of this. Anong derivative dito? Constant yan.
2a
Constant yan.
constant
A is constant.
Zero.
Ha?
Negative 12.
Derivative ng A squared. Treating A constant. A is constant. Anong derivative ng constant? 0. Anong derivative dito?
2x.
Derivative dito.
2x.
Mali. Derivative dito.
Negative 2.
negative
Negative 2x. You understand?
yes
So, hindi diretso ko nun dito. How do you write that? That would be negative, magkakansel ko. Sulat ko na lang. Para hindi kayo ito. Isulat ko ba?
sige sir
Yes, sir.
Diretso ko na.
Cancel.
Cancel, sir.
Negative, because of this, tapos 2x, tama?
Yes.
Tapos 2 dito, tapos ito, square root yan, pero negative bababa, a squared minus
Yes.
x
X
squared.
squared.
Ready?
yes
Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Anong nasa baba? b squared.
b squared
What would that mean? A squared minus x squared.
raised to
Square root.
square root
Square
root
root. Correct? Ito, cancel si this. Correct? So what we have there? A squared minus
Minus
x
x
squared minus,
minus
ano ito? Square root of a squared minus x squared. Negative, negative,
positive
positive,
x
x squared over a squared
squared
minus x squared. Yes?
yes
Tama? LCD. Anong LCD ng numerator? Square root of a squared minus x squared. This divided by 1 is this, correct?
mm.
This divided by 1 is this, correct?
yes
Times this. What is the square root of a squared minus x squared times square root of a squared minus x squared? This divided by 1 over 1 yan. Diba?
yes
This divided by 1 is this, correct?
yes
Times this.
yan ulit
What is the square root of a squared minus x squared times the square root of a squared minus x squared?
square
Ano yan? How do you find the product of the... Hindi ba pwedeng pagsamahin yan nasa loob?
yes
Oh. A squared minus x squared times a squared minus x squared. Parehas yan. So what would that become? A squared minus x squared squared. Ready?
yes
Oh, this one cancels with this. Correct?
yes
Correct? So anong naiwan?
a squared minus x squared
This divided by this.
1
This divided by this. 1
One.
times this. X squared. So plus x squared over a squared minus x squared. This 0. Correct? So this would be dy over dx is
a
a
squared
over, pwede mo ba yan? A squared minus x squared times a squared minus x squared raised to
1 half
1 half. Correct? What do you do with the exponent when you are multiplying powers of the series? So this would be a squared over a squared minus x squared raised to what is 1 half plus 1?
3 halves
Sana nakakasunod kayo. May klase tayo dito. Di pa tayo sa kabila. Let's solve the last problem. Kasya na yung 6 ang blackboard. Number 6. Y is equal to a squared arc sine of x over a minus x squared of a squared minus x. Of course, a is constant.
Tang ina, dalawa yung term.
A is constant.
Constant.
Okay. So, how big is this? dy over dx tayo. Coefficient lang yan. So, dyan lang yan. Understand?
Ah.
A is treated as constant. So, a squared is treated as coefficient. So, wala kang gagawin dyan. Pen mo lang siya. Okay, so just have it a squared there. O, anong derivative ng arc sine of x over a? 1 over
One.
square root of
1 minus
1 minus, anong u?
x
Anong u?
x over a raised to
Squared
squared.
times
Derivative of
the u of this. Anong u nito?
x over
X all over a. Ano ulit ang derivative ng x all over a with respect to the x?
Hindi ko na alam. 1 over a. Hindi.
Ano na? Is- Ano mo ito? X all over a. Anong derivative ng x all over a with respect to the x? Ha?
1 over a.
Oh, syempre 1 all over a. Hindi ba't ang derivative ng x all over 2 with respect to the x is 1
1.
half?
Yes.
Oh, anong derivative ng x all over a?
1 over a.
1 over a. Grabe kayo, ha? Nakatagulog kayo. Minus. Oh, dito na tayo. Product yan. Let this u, let this be. Remain.
Mm.
How do you get the derivative of a product? UB. UDB plus BDU. Happy u. Ano u?
X.
X.
Anong derivative dito? Square root. A squared minus x squared is
A squared minus x squared raised to 1 half.
1 half.
Is-
So, ano, if that is y, anong derivative ng dy over dx? Kung ito yun.
1 half
1 half
A.
times a
minus
squared.
x squared raised to negative 1 half multiplied by
Derivative of
anong derivative dito?
2x.
Derivative dito.
0.
Ito.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x.
2x.
Galing-galing naman nagawa.
Listen. So, paano yan? 1 half of negative 2x over, bababa ko na yun. Bababa ko na ba? Sige, bababa ko na. I hope you're not twisted. Square root of a squared minus x squared. Follow?
Yes, sir.
Binaba ko na lang ito. Follow? Times. Copy this. Square root of a
Squared minus x squared.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Multiplied by the derivative of this with respect to the x.
1.
1.
Ano derivative dito with respect to the x?
One.
This one. So, ano mangyari dito? This one cancels with this. So, a sa taas. Tama?
Yes.
Tama?
Yes, sir.
Square root of
1
1 minus x squared over
a
a
squared.
squared. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Equals. This one
Cancel.
cancels with this. Correct?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
This one cancels with this. Correct?
Yes.
Negative, negative.
Positive.
Positive. So this would be positive x squared. You agree?
Yes.
You agree?
Yes, sir.
X times the derivative of this, which is this. 1 half a squared minus x squared, baba,
Mm.
times the derivative of that, negative 2x. Ah, yung makita rin, yan makakancel. Gugulo ko kayo. Plus, wala. Kasi product, di ba?
Yes.
Yan ang product, di ba? UDB plus BDU, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi yan time. So plus, are you following? Plus, ito, square root of A squared minus x squared times the derivative of x with respect to dx, 1. Di ka lisan?
Yes, sir.
Di ka lisan? Okay, mag-distribute na ako. Ito, minus x times x ay negative, negative,
Positive.
positive. Are you me?
Yes.
Cancel, cancel. X squared over square root of a squared minus x squared. Ready? Ready? Negative, positive. Negative. Square root of a squared minus x squared. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Ano mangyari dito? This would be a all over square root of LCD. Ito yung parang nangyari kanina, bilan niya, a squared. A squared divided by 1. A squared divided by 1
A
times
squared.
1.
A squared.
A squared minus x squared. Correct?
Yes.
Plus x squared over square root of a squared minus x squared minus square root of a squared minus x squared. Yes?
Yes.
Ano mangyari dito? This is a over square root of a squared minus x squared over square root of a squared is a.
A.
Tama? Tama? Plus x squared over square root of a squared minus x squared minus square root of a squared minus x squared. Ano mangyari? Ito, pupunta sa taas yan. So that will become
A squared.
a squared. LCD ako, square root of a squared
Minus X squared.
x squared. Ito pupunta sa taas, magiging
A squared.
a squared. This divided by this is 1. Tama? Times this, a squared. Correct? Plus this divided by this is 1
One.
times this x squared minus this divided by 1 is this times this. So, yan yung parang nangyari kanina. 1 is square root of a squared minus x squared times square root of a squared minus x squared. Square root of a squared minus x squared, a squared minus x squared, simply square root of a squared minus x squared, squared, correct? So this is simply a squared minus x squared. Tama?
Yes.
Minus a squared minus x squared. Understood? So that's what will this become. A squared plus x squared distribute minus a squared plus
Plus.
x squared. You understand?
Yes.
Over square root of a squared minus x squared. This one minus this one. Tama? So this would be dy over dx is x squared plus x squared
2x squared.
over square root of
A squared minus.
minus x squared. Sakit?
So, kailangan ipakita yun sa quiz.
Saan? Ito? Ito?
Yes, sir.
Hindi na. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kasi tatanungin ni Bidal yun. Pinakita ko lang. Pero sandali. Tama.
So, hindi ka nagugulat.
A squared.
Hindi ka nagugulat. Sa nagalit yun, diba?
Times may minus x diba 1 half x squared minus x squared negative 2x plus negative positive negative positive negative.
Cancelitis.
A
Sakit natin.
squared minus b squared x squared plus squared a squared plus x squared minus a squared negative negative. Correct?
Yung naman, time